What's going on? Garrett here. Now, chances are you're watching this video because you're wanting to learn how to make a good income, right? Maybe $1,000 or more per day, and you don't want to spend a lot of time, you don't want to spend a lot of effort. Well, in this video, I'm going to share with you how you can start to realistically produce results online. Now, this doesn't matter if you don't have much previous experience, if you don't have a lot of time in the day. If you stick with me through this video, I'm going to share with you an opportunity that's allowed myself and many of my teammates to be able to do just that. Now, real quick, I'm actually walking the waterway. Okay, this is in the Woodlands, Texas, which is kind of close to Houston. So you may hear some things in the background, but I just wanted to share with you, heart to heart, why I actually joined this. Now, the system's called Funnel X Roi. Now, maybe you've seen this, maybe you've heard a lot about this online. There's a lot of buzz going on, and for good reason. See, maybe you've tried something in the past, right? Maybe you've joined opportunities in the past, you've tried to go out there and promote them, refer people to them, and maybe you've struggled to make consistent sales. Well, I used to struggle myself. See, not too long ago, I actually struggled when it came to making money online because I didn't have certain pieces in place that Funnel X Roi finally solves. Now, real quick, I'm gonna share with you some proof and results on the screen of what I've been blessed to generate and make over the last months or so, just using this powerful done-for-you system. And all of this, again, was very simple with not much work and not much time in the day. If you have about 30 minutes to an hour a day and you can follow simple step-by-step instructions, there's no reason why you can't also do the same thing, right? We have people from all over the world plugging into this and really getting some incredible results. So what is this? How does this work? And what bonuses will you actually get if you do decide to join through the link below and partner with me, right? Well, I'm going to cover all that as you stay tuned. Now, you may hear bus in the background, but stick with me. So first off, Funnel X Roi, what it is it's a done-for-you system that comes with everything included. See, if you try to go out there and make money online or start your own business, oftentimes you have to create the capture pages, the funnels. You have to create the sales pages yourself. You have to get on the phone and follow up with your leads yourself. And if you're someone that maybe wants to travel more, maybe wants more free time, let me start to walk a little bit, get away from this bus. Absolutely beautiful day, my friend. This is, like I said, the Woodlands, Texas. Actually, it's following me. But so what this system does is it has all the stuff for you, right? You don't have to create the sales pages, the capture pages, the funnels. You don't have to even get on the phone. See, what this system comes with is capture pages, sales pages, email follow-ups, okay? Email messages, right? Everything done for you where you can literally plug in and start to see results. Now, it's no secret why so many people, seasoned marketers, brand new people, are starting with this system, because once you see, and again, there's gonna be a link below if you haven't checked out the overview yet, but once you see what this is, your mind's gonna be blown at how powerful. Because if you, again, one thing I don't like is a lot of these systems, you don't know the creator of the system. It's very, it's not legit. They don't have a lot of average people without big lists or big followings actually able to see results. But with Funnel X Roi, the cool thing is we know the creator, right? The creator is a guy by the name of David Deacle. Now, David's been online for many years and he's making, well over $70,000 a month. And he's what we call a super affiliate. So he's been making money for many, many years, and he would see the problems people had when they wanted to make money. A lot of people didn't want to approach their friends and family about a business. A lot of people didn't want to approach, random people, just on the street, right? So what he did was he created a system that has everything in place. Now, it's a high ticket system. So what that means is you're not going to promote this and make a few bucks here and there, okay? You're not going to promote this and just make, a $50 commission. You're going to be able to make up to $1,000 per commission, per referral, when you get started and position yourself properly. Now, the cool thing about Funnel X Roi is it has 5 different income streams. Okay, a lot of these online businesses, they only have one income stream. So, if you are just in that one thing and that goes away or people aren't interested, you're SOL, right? You're not going to be able to make money. But I want you to think about this like Walmart, okay? If someone goes to a Walmart, there's multiple different income streams, right? They're selling furniture, they're selling DVDs, they're selling clothes. Basically, there's something for everyone. And with Funnel X Roi, it allows you to basically find something for your prospect or your lead. So there's something for everyone, right? Now, I'm actually gonna turn around real quick. It's absolutely beautiful. You can see the kind of the bridge in the background. Highly recommend you checking this out, the woodlands. But basically what you have to understand is that you have multiple different income streams, okay? So once you go to the link below and you position yourself properly, you're gonna have up to 5 different ways that you can actually earn, okay? Now, not only that though, a lot of these systems, you earn a very small % commission of the actual sale. So you go out there, you promote it, and you're only making a few bucks off that work that you did, right? So with Funnel X Roi, you basically, on most of the income streams, earn 100% commission, okay? Meaning if you recommend that to someone, you're not gonna make this itsy bitsy, teeny tiny, measly little commission. You're gonna get 100% of the commission paid instantly, okay? There's no wait time with this, right? When you join and you position yourself at the level, the highest level you can, you earn 100% commissions paid instantly. So if you join and you position yourself, let's say at the $500, $1,000 level, those are probably the most popular. You position yourself at that level, you're gonna be able to get paid 100% of that money the day you make it, okay? So if you wanna scale up with paid advertising, which they cover inside the system, as well as bonuses that I'll hit on in a second when you join me, you can just reinvest that money, or you can just take that money, spend it on, groceries, go on vacations. I just got back from another trip. So it's really up to you what you wanna do with it, but we get paid instantly, okay? Again, pardon the sound, there's cars driving overhead, okay? So again, that's another benefit of joining this, right? Not only is everything done for you, not only do you make 100% commissions, but you don't have to wait, you get paid instantly. Now, I wanna cover right now some of the bonuses that you're actually gonna get access to when you partner with me at the $500 level, okay? That tells me you're serious or higher. Now, what you're gonna get access to, because a lot of people wonder, Garrett, am I gonna join and be stranded, right? I've joined stuff in the past, maybe you're thinking this now, I've joined stuff in the past and I didn't have help, right? I felt stranded, I was left, high and dry, I didn't have anyone to talk to, I didn't have anyone to help me. Is this gonna happen now? And what I wanna share with you is that we have training in place. We have a massive Facebook community, but not only that, I have bonuses in place that really give you everything you need to succeed, right? The only piece you have to actually focus on in your 30 minutes a day with this powerful business is getting visitors to your funnel. Okay, the funnel, all the capture pages, all the emails is done for you. You don't have to worry about that, but you do have to get consistent people. Now you may think, well, I don't have a following. I don't have a lot of people following me. Garrett, I see you, you send emails, you have YouTube videos, you have views, like, oh, I'm just getting started. No one knows who I am. Can I still do this? And the beauty of this is, yes, you can, right? Everyone starts somewhere and you don't need a lot of people. See, when it's high ticket, you only need one $1,000 commission coming into your bank account, even every few days, once a week, and that will change your life, okay? So it doesn't take a lot of people, and it's actually easier to sell high ticket because you're dealing with a higher quality person. You're not dealing with all these objections and why do I have to invest into a business and, oh, is this not legit? You're actually dealing with legit, quality people that you want to deal with and work with. So that's the next thing. Now, what bonuses am I gonna offer when you go to the link below and partner with me today? Well, the first thing I'm gonna offer is my actual course. A lot of you guys know I have a very popular social media mastery course where I break down my top strategies that I've personally used on Facebook, on YouTube, on Twitter, and Instagram the last 5 years online to generate endless traffic, endless visitors to the offers I'm promoting totally for free. And when you join me at the $500 level or higher, again, that shows me you're serious, and I really want to just work with serious people. I'm going to throw in totally for free my course. So you're going to be able to log into the membership area and start going through those modules and get visitors as soon as today. Another thing I'm going to throw in is maybe you're someone that wants to do paid advertising. Maybe you have a little bit more money, you don't have a lot of time, you're just like, Garrett, I just want to pump money in, slam visitors to this offer and just make tons of money. Well, I'm gonna throw in a full Facebook advertising 101 course. Okay, so this is gonna teach you from A to Z how to start running profitable Facebook ads. Okay, how to start getting consistent visitors on autopilot to the offer, so you can just wake up, check your phone, and see another commission came in. Okay, this is absolutely incredible. Another thing I'm gonna share with you is 7 of my top social media posts that you can just paste on your Facebook, on your Instagram, and start to generate leads. Okay, a lot of people, maybe you don't wanna go through the modules of the course, maybe you just wanna, hit the ground running and set up yourself for success from day one. You can literally just swipe and deploy these posts that I've personally made on my Facebook, on my Twitter. You can copy and paste that onto your profile and realistically start to get leads and even some sales your very first week. Okay, some even your first day. I also have a retargeting Facebook course I'm gonna throw in because people wanna know, I know not everyone's gonna buy in the first try. I know not everyone's gonna instantly get started. So how can I follow up with those people? Well, I'm gonna share with you a retargeting course that once you're getting traffic from Facebook ads, how to retarget people. And again, pardon the, we have a waterfall in the background, pardon the noise. Hopefully you can still hear me. But it's powerful. You're gonna get access to our Facebook community, okay? Because I know one of the biggest questions on your mind is, what if I join and I need one question answered? What if I join and I just don't have help? Well, we're gonna plug you into our private Facebook community so you can ensure you're gonna get 24/7 support. If you have a question, if you have a concern, post it in that. If you want just support, maybe you have a lot of naysayers, your family and friends aren't supporting you, you can post it into this Facebook group and you're gonna get answers almost instantly, okay? So this is absolutely incredible. Again, if you've been searching like I was for many, many years for something that's done for you, that has everything included, be sure to go to the link and get started. And then once you do, I'm actually gonna personally see who's joined at that $500 level or higher, and I'm gonna shoot you over these bonuses, okay? So again, it's absolutely incredible. I hope you enjoyed this video. Anyone can do this. Don't let your past stop you. And going through a little tunnel here. And I think you're really gonna love this. So again, thanks so much for watching. Hope you got value. If you have any questions, comment below. I'll be sure to get back to you as soon as possible. And I look forward to seeing you at the top. Talk soon and have an awesome day.